Welcome to All Fool Day, April 2025. Kojak Country Lifestyle YouTube channel representing Jamaica. Thanks to all of my new subscribers. Getting rain shower of blessing on April 1st. These videos are highly important. These are like documenting what is happening in my neck of the hood in my rural Jamaica. It's like I'm writing a book, but I'm putting them on my videos so I can reflect and recall, and people can remember what took place. On All Fools Day, look at the soil. Raining in Jamaica. Big up all of my loyal fans them. I always like to do rain videos. I was planning to do a live, but I ain't have data on my phone to do the live. I would have to go in the city to purchase phone card to do the live. But I'm in the jungle section of Jamaica. So I'm just recording what is taking place. You not seeing my face? No problem. I just had a glass of Irish mash a while ago. Look at the nice tomato, Cathy and Cecile. Myla, the farmer lady in St. Bess. Nice tomato. Wait there, look. Fresh and vibrant. Nice spring rain. On this wonderful day. Please give the video a thumbs up. If you like to see the rain, you give it a thumbs up and please comment on the video. Raindrops keep on falling. OMG, we like the rain. We like to see the rain. Blessed assurance to all of my loyal fans them wherever you're watching from. Do remember to tell your friends and family about Kojak Country Lifestyle. My hand is a bit shaky right now, you know. I have to just itch up the thing on the camera. All them key and they're getting what they need. What we need is love, my friend, today. So you tell someone today that you love them. We're not preaching no hatred around here. No bad living. If you know say love is the answer, please give the video a thumbs up. If you believe in love and say we should live together in love and harmony, one big family. Everyone who subscribe to my channel is my family. My brothers and sisters. Everything looking fresh and healthy. Nice. The weather is fine. All you got to do, don't be lazy in this time. You know, just decide you're gonna rock. Because right now, to what's going on now, food security is highly important. Because a lot of food prices is going up all over the world about tariff. So expect to pay more for a lot of products. Look for my tomato again, man. That's a plummy. Very beautiful. See it? If you like to plant things, please give the video a thumbs up. If you like to plant. Do you have a green thumb? like Cathy and Cecile and Myla. Big up everyone in Ghana. Big up every Jamaican, American who like to work. Europeans, Canadian, Africans. As long as you like to put your hand and do something worthwhile. Big up yourself. I must say thanks everyone for watching, because I just came out of the jungle. I was working very hard, so I'm not showing myself in the video because I'm dirty. Dirty. I don't get to bathe as yet. So again, thanks for watching, my fans. Much love and much blessing from Jamaica, culture, country, lifestyle on this rainy day here in Jamrock. I heard a little one sound of the thunder today. First thunder since 2025 I've heard. When it's summertime, that's the time you're gonna hear lots of thunder. Big up.